You bought a JPEG, bro, and not just any JPEG, one with sunglasses, pixel art and name like a CyberThought 69420. Welcome to Tough Finance, where we walk through the financial graveyard and read your tombstone out loud. Today's corpse: NFTs.
Now to the latest trend that's sweeping the internet.
So-called NFT.
They're now selling for huge bucks.
$69 million.
Oh my God. So what's behind this latest craze?
That is the question to ask.
Remember 2021? People were flipping cartoon apes like real estate. YouTubers were minting generational wealth. Paris Hilton and Jimmy Fallon were flexing profile pics like they found the holy grail of money laundering. You were told NFTs were the future of the art, the future of community, the future of ownership. But no one ever stopped to ask what we are actually buying. Let's break it down. An NFT is a non-fungible token, a unique piece of data stored on a blockchain. It says you own this thing, but not the thing itself, just a digital certificate that points to it. You don't own the image, you own a receipt, the metadata. Like buying a painting then storing it at someone else's house and hoping they don't move. Some NFTs have an actual utility: tickets, games, smart contracts, but most of what people bought, just hype wrapped in a code. Then came the crash. OpenSea volume dropped 99%, celebrity projects ghosted, scams, rug pulls and lawsuits everywhere, and those floor price tweets gone, vanished, along with your optimism and probably your rent money. The NFT space didn't die, it just left you behind and moved on to private discords and speculative metaverse ideas that nobody asked for. The lesson here isn't NFTs bad, it's you got caught chasing the loudest thing in the room. The system was built on FOMO, people yelling community when they meant exit liquidity. And every line was, "This is not a financial advice," right before it definitely was. You didn't invest, you gambled on vibes, and when the smoke cleared, you were holding a cartoon donkey with a monocle and no resale value. NFTs aren't bad, but maybe the idea that every new thing will make you rich, that needs to die. This is Tough Finance, and next time we're digging up another financial fantasy: passive income. That phrase you love to hear and don't understand at all. Subscribe, suffer with us, and drop your worst NFT in the comments. Stay cynical, stay solvent.